Welcome to the pre-game interview, and we have here the protagonist from the coming playoffs of the President's Cup semifinals between Biñan and, of course, Quezon. Let's begin with Coach Genino. Coach, of course, we know we're coming off a Holy Week break. How do you think it is important to you?
Since yung mga players namin mostly mga ex-pro sila, we make sure na magpahinga kami kahit 2 days, and then after that we practice here sa Biñan for 2 days, and then yesterday dun sa talagang regular venue namin. Malaking bagay yung Holy Week break at nakapag-prepare kami ng maayos.
Okay. Coach Eric, 2 games yung dinaanan nyo, 2 tough games, 10 quarters pa yung nilaro ninyo no, no? So, what do you think? You think it's much needed yung break na yan?
Pareho lang mo kami sinabi ni Coach Dino. Ano talagang kailangan po. 3 araw nga ako binigay ko eh. Sa sobrang ubos yung play.
Okay, alright. So, Coach, this is a best of 3 series, no? And game 1 is going to be crucial, no? But looking at the best of 3 series, how do you think the series is going to be won? Let's begin with you, Coach Gino.
Kasi mahalaga dito itong game 1. Siyempre yung Quezon, mostly mga bata yung players sila. Very athletic from NC tsaka UAP. We make sure na i-scout namin talaga yung knowing coach na talagang very passionate. Kailangan gawin mo to. Kailangan din namin maging pasensyoso sa depensa. Kasi sabi ko nga, napaka-athletic ng mga players niya.
Coach, yung tested na yung mga bata ninyo, no? Nakita naman natin, 2 beses tinalo ninyo Caloocan, no? But this time around, you're facing the number 1 team in the elimination round, and that is Biñan. What do you think about your chances?
Lagi ko sinasabi sa mga player, hindi pa nalalaro yan eh. So, ibig sabihin, 50-50. So, ibig sabihin, ang ine-emphasize ko lang naman kanila, re-respetuhin nyo kahit sinong kaharap nyo.
Okay.
So, para yung chances lagi natin, nandoon.
Okay, right.
Yun lang po, respeto lang po sa kalaban.
Okay, right. Okay. Looking at the series, sa tingin ninyo, may paborito ba rito? May underdog ba rito? What do you think about the series, Coach?
Para sa akin, walang andito eh. Walang kahit number 1, wala. Back to 0 talaga to. Very crucial dito yung sa team namin yung individual defense namin, kasi napanood ko na yung games ni Coach na grabe yung mga guards niya. Grabe, very magagaling talaga. Subaybayan ko rin yung mga players niya, kaya alam ko talaga dun sila bubuelo sa mga guards niya.
Okay. Coach, how about you, Coach? Anong tingin mo sa team nyo? Underdog ba or halos level lang?
Ako kasi, mga bata yung player. Ang sinasabi ko lagi, kulang pa kayo sa experience. Matuto kayong maging mababa. So ang mindset lagi namin, underdogs kami para magpursige sila. So yun po, yun yung binabaon ko sa kanila. Lahat kasi in-earn eh. Hindi lahat magiging madali.
Okay, and that wraps up our pre-game interview. So good luck sa inyo, guys. Thank you, Coach.